This video will discuss how to manage users within the PlantLog software. Only administrators can add and edit users, and to do so you will need to sign into your site account using a desktop browser, as we're doing here. The Manage Users screen will let you add, edit, and delete other users that will have access to this account. So as you can see here, this is the one user that we are signed in as, and of course it's an admin user with this checkbox. So let's go ahead and add a new user. We add the plus button, we'll put in a username. Now it's a good idea to use full names here, first and last name, and the reason for this is that if this person were to leave your facility at some point and you were to delete their user account, you would no longer be able to edit their username. So if you were to just put in the name Tom, that could cause confusion for other operators or users that come along with that same first name. So try to use full names here. You want to put in email addresses so that the software can send out notifications of various sorts. Phone number is a good idea. Although it's optional, other users can look up user information such as this, so that when they need to contact someone, they can run a report such as the user list, and they can get this kind of contact information for other users. And then finally a password. And at the bottom here we have a checkbox that says user is admin. And so obviously if we check this off, this user will be an admin just like we are here. We really only want to set admin users to be the high lead engineers, maybe management or chief engineers. There should be only a limited number of admins in your account. They should be very selective about who is an admin, who is not. Anyone with an admin, of course, has access to this admin menu up here and can manipulate the data just like we're doing here. So let's not make this user an admin and go ahead and hit the add button to create them. So we now have a second user, and as you can see, they're not set up as an admin. One more thing to talk about when it comes to users is deleting users. It's important to remember that when you do delete a user, you are really only inactivating them so that they no longer have access to the PlantLog software, but you are not deleting any of the data that they created while they were an active user. So that's very important to remember. You will still see this user's name, even if you delete them, throughout the software for any of the data, whether they were going out and doing PMs or creating cases or journal entries and so on. All that data will stay intact. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to watch other videos in this series which cover different aspects of the PlantLog software.